All right, so we're going to go over how to do the basic step in salsa. Now, there are 3 rules that are very important before we even get started. Number 1, the leader is going to start with the left foot. The follower, and it will start with the right foot. Okay? Rule 2 is that there are only 6 directions we should be moving in. So we've got forward, backwards, to the right, to the left, turn right, turn left. Diagonals aren't directions. They're also going to look funny because if your feet are going in diagonal directions, it doesn't really look pretty either. And last is we got to lead, they got to follow, right? So I'm going to go over the basic step first. So turning around so that what you see is exactly what you're doing. You're starting with your left foot. You're going to go forward on the spot together, back with your right foot on the spot together. I'll do it to the side. So I'm going to go forward on the spot together and backwards on the spot together. Good. Now we'll take a look at Anna's steps. And starting with her right foot, we will go backwards on the spot together. She will then go forward on the spot together. We'll now face each other so you see it more clearly. 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, we say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's not that we don't know how to count. The 4 and the 8 are your pause points. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, pausing for the 4, 5, 6, 7, pausing for the 8. Good? This is just your basic step. You've got your progressive basic. This is where you're going to pass your foot. So I'm going to go forward on the spot, but past my foot. Backwards on the spot, but past my foot. So forward on the spot, pass your foot. Back on the spot, pass your foot. Good? We'll now turn around so that the ladies can see exactly what Anna's doing. So you're going to go back on the spot, pass your foot. Forward on the spot, pass your foot. Okay, now facing each other. You want to go into 2 types of holds that we can do. So we've got our close hold. Our close hold, the hand goes on the shoulder blade. Her other hand will go on the V of the muscle, same shape as the way her hand is. The other hand is the eye level of the lady. We're going to lean into each other lightly. And you're going to use your chest to push forward. You're going to use your right hand for all the other directions. So I'm going to push forward, bring her back, and bring her back. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now progressive. I'm going to pull a little stronger to get her to pass her foot, and push her a little stronger so she passes her foot. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to switch to a regular basic. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. In an open hold, your hands are going to go down around waist level. You're going to have your fingers curved, just like she will. The difference is hers are going up to down, yours are going to the sides. You stick them in. You're going to push with the back of your fingers, and then you're going to pull with the front of your fingers. Then pull with the front of the fingers and push with the back. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Progressive is the same thing. I'm going to pull a little stronger to pass the foot, push a little stronger, pass the foot. 2, 3. I don't have to push that much harder because my body is already doing it, which will allow her to feel the amount that I'm pushing for. Good? Now here's the fun part. Switching between the 2. Now, if I'm starting in a close hold, I cannot sit there, put my hands like this, in a very awkward position, looking like a T-Rex, and go, push. It's going to look horrible. It's going to not feel good for the partner. So what I want to do is I want to push with only one hand to create the separation. And the difference is I'm going to do a regular basic and make Anna do a progressive basic. So here we are with a regular basic. And this time, as I go from backwards, I'm going to push her a little stronger so she does progressive. And now we're in an open hold. Now let's say I want to switch. I could do the same thing. I can close my feet, and while I close my feet, Anna will do progressive. I'll demonstrate, and now she's within my frame. Good? Now, I could do the same thing in reverse. Instead of pushing her away, I can make her do a regular basic while I do a progressive. And coming back, she could do a regular basic still while I do a progressive. This will ensure that you can easily go from being close to being far, far to close, as we continually do changes in our actions to do more complicated moves. But for now, that would be how you would do the basics. The side basic is the same concept. Okay? So side basic, I'll demonstrate it. We're going to start with the left foot. The follower is going to start with the right foot. We go to the left on the spot. We come back to the right on the spot. Come back. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now for the ladies, you're starting with your right foot going to the right. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good? Now, dancing with a partner, same thing. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back to basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We will now try it with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Progressive. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Separating. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Returning back to closed position. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Back to basic step. 1, 2, 3. Progressive. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Separating. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. Whee.